Welcome. Today we'll learn about inverse sine, also known as arcsine, and specifically how to find the inverse sine of -1. Before we solve this, let's understand what inverse sine means. The sine function takes an angle and gives us a ratio between -1 and 1. The inverse sine function does the opposite. It takes a ratio between -1 and 1 and gives us the corresponding angle. The sine function has a range from -1 to 1. For inverse sine, this becomes the domain. We can only input values between -1 and 1. The output of inverse sine is an angle, specifically one in the range from -90 degrees to +90 degrees. Let's visualize this on the unit circle. When we're looking for arcsine of -1, we're asking, at what angle does sine equal -1? On the unit circle, sine represents the y-coordinate. When the y-coordinate is -1, we're at the bottom point of the circle, which corresponds to -90 degrees, or -pi/2 radians. So, the inverse sine of -1 equals -90 degrees, or -pi/2 radians. We can verify this because sine of -90 degrees equals -1, and that's how we find the inverse sine of -1. Remember that inverse sine is looking for the angle that gives us a particular sine value, and its output is always between -90 and +90 degrees.